Is your snake plant tall but sparse, with only a few leaves sticking out of the pot? Do you dream of having a lush, full, and bushy snake plant that looks like the ones you see in magazines? The good news is, you don't need expensive fertilizers or professional gardening skills. With just a few simple care techniques, you can encourage your snake plant to grow more leaves, produce more pups, and become thick and beautiful. In this video, I'll share the most effective tips that plant experts use to grow a fuller snake plant. Stay until the end, because tip number 7 is the biggest game changer. 1. Give your snake plant bright, indirect light. Light is one of the most important factors for growing a fuller snake plant. While snake plants are famous for surviving in low light, survival isn't the same as thriving. Place your plant near a bright window where it receives plenty of indirect sunlight for 6 to 8 hours daily. Morning sunlight is excellent because it's gentle and encourages healthy growth. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. When your snake plant gets enough light, it produces stronger roots, healthier leaves, and more baby shoots, making the entire plant appear thicker and much more attractive over time. 2. Use a slightly tight pot. Many people think a bigger pot helps plants grow faster, but snake plants actually prefer being slightly root-bound. When the roots fill the pot comfortably, the plant focuses on producing new pups instead of expanding its root system. Choose a pot that's only 1 or 2 inches larger than the root ball. Oversized pots hold excess moisture, increasing the risk of root rot and slowing growth. A snug pot creates the perfect environment for healthy root pressure, encouraging the plant to multiply naturally and fill the container with fresh, upright leaves over the coming months. 3. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering is the #1 reason snake plants fail to grow well. These drought-tolerant plants store water in their thick leaves and prefer dry conditions. Before watering, insert your finger 2 to 3 inches into the soil. If it still feels damp, wait a few more days. Water deeply only when the soil is completely dry, allowing excess water to drain away. Consistent overwatering weakens the roots, prevents new growth, and may even kill developing pups. Proper watering encourages healthier roots that support stronger, faster leaf production throughout the growing season. 4. Feed during the growing season. Snake plants don't require heavy feeding, but regular nutrients during spring and summer can make a huge difference. Use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer at half strength once every 4 to 6 weeks. This provides essential nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that fuel healthy leaves and root development. Avoid fertilizing during winter because the plant naturally slows its growth. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and damage the plant. A light feeding schedule gives your snake plant just enough nutrition to produce larger leaves and more baby plants without causing unnecessary stress. 5. Use well-draining soil. Healthy roots create healthy leaves. That's why choosing the right soil is essential. Snake plants prefer fast-draining soil that allows excess water to escape quickly. A cactus or succulent mix works perfectly, or you can make your own by combining potting soil with perlite, coarse sand, and pumice. This mixture keeps oxygen flowing around the roots while preventing soggy conditions. Heavy garden soil traps water, causing root rot and slow growth. Well-draining soil keeps the roots healthy, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients efficiently and produce a fuller, bushier appearance throughout the year. 6. Don't remove healthy pups too early. One of the easiest ways to create a fuller snake plant is simply letting the baby plants stay in the pot. These new shoots, called pups, naturally emerge from underground rhizomes and gradually fill empty spaces. Many gardeners separate them too soon for propagation, leaving the mother plant looking sparse. Instead, allow the pups to grow alongside the main plant until the pot becomes crowded. The combination of mature leaves and young shoots creates a dense, lush display. Patience is one of the simplest secrets to achieving a professional-looking, bushy snake plant. 7. Keep the plant warm and stable. Snake plants grow fastest in warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Cold drafts, sudden temperature changes, and air conditioning vents can slow growth dramatically. Place your plant in a warm room with stable conditions and moderate humidity. Avoid placing it near doors that open frequently during winter or close to heating vents that dry the air excessively. Warm, consistent conditions help the roots remain active, allowing the plant to continuously produce fresh leaves and new pups. A comfortable environment keeps your snake plant growing steadily all year long. 8. Rotate the pot every few weeks. If your snake plant receives light from only one direction, it may lean toward the window, creating uneven growth. Rotate the pot about 1/4 turn every 2 to 3 weeks. This simple habit ensures every side receives equal light exposure, encouraging balanced leaf development. Even lighting also helps prevent stretching and improves the plant's overall appearance. Over time, rotating the pot results in a symmetrical, fuller-looking snake plant with evenly spaced leaves. It's a small effort that makes a surprisingly noticeable difference in the beauty of your indoor plant collection. 9. Be patient. Growth takes time. Snake plants are naturally slow growers, so don't expect dramatic changes overnight. Depending on the variety and growing conditions, new leaves may appear every few weeks during the active growing season. Focus on providing consistent care instead of constantly changing your routine. Healthy roots, proper watering, bright light, and occasional feeding all work together to encourage steady growth. Before long, your snake plant will begin producing more pups and thicker clusters of leaves. Patience truly pays off, and the reward is a stunning, full, healthy plant that lasts for many years. Healthy roots, proper watering, bright light, and occasional feeding all work together to encourage steady growth. Before long, your snake pea now, you know the simple secrets to growing a fuller, bushier snake plant with more beautiful leaves. Remember, bright, indirect light, proper watering, well-draining soil, a slightly snug pot, light feeding, and a little patience can completely transform your plant. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more indoor plant care guides. Leave a comment below and tell us how many snake plants you have, or share your favorite growing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next plant-loving adventure. Lant will begin producing more pups and thicker clusters of leaves. Patience truly pays off, and the reward is a stunning, full, healthy plant that lasts for many years.